Hi, this is Dan Hicks, Frankfort Toyota. A few days ago, I put a Facebook question out there, are you ready? And everybody came back to me, well, heck no, we're not ready. We went all out for Christmas. And then there was New Year's. And then it got cold. And then it snowed. And we had all the kids at home. And now the credit card bills are piling up. We get it. Here at Frankfort Toyota, we think we might have a solution. How about no payments for 60, 90 days? You get a chance to catch your breath. Come on in, get a new Toyota. All the new safety features, all the new factory warranties, the prepaid no-cost maintenance, all of those things. And you have no payments for 90 days. Come on in. Let us show you how simple and easy it can be to get a new Toyota. Thanks.
Take the short drive to Frankfort and see what the buzz is all about.
A little out of the way, a lot less to pay. Frankfort Toyota.